You are in your element with bold Mars, surging through your expressive ninth house and filling up your adventure spirit. Give yourself a log less to do some. Inspire blue sky thinking today and push the involved, testing the boundaries of what is possible. You might come across a thought leader online who gets you expected to blaze your own trail into uncraftable territory. Don't narrow your option by focusing on the final outcome. Today is about the journey, not the decision. Stop fixing. CEO God, you could be obsessive with one thing that you can process the input you are receiving and adapt. With driven mass in your instinctive yawn, you might be taking an overly regard stand without knowing it. Pay attention to your body language and the physical sensation you are feeling. Are you clenching your jaw over your fists, hunching your shoulder? Breath out slowly, realizing the tension from your muscles at the same time. Then see if you can take in a feedback that didn't computer yearly. You could finally be ready to pivot. You are charging hard after your goals with driven Mars in your personal province, but be careful not to come on too strong around higher ups. You might perceive your ambition and educate, if possibly work solo on pet project so you don't have to answer to a superior of adapt your approach. You have the energy and motivation to make serious headway as long as you can avoid stepping on toes. Scorpio, expect from my book an intimated dialogue with God, the micros power of unconditional self-love. Best explain the secure and intention of the message on this site. In this passage, God's world are indent in blue font. You are being blessed because of your desire, not because of your doing. We had your anointing and willing prayer on 1911 that you uttered without ease. Use me for the healing of the world. We are using you because of the carry of your heart to be of service to this planet. We always dine in receiving those who deserve to be of service. Naomi Grace, your light is bright. You will use it to help guide others. You their own light, brilliance, and wisdom. Simply be the beautifully brilliant soul that you are. Listen. Be willing to hear, trust, even if it seems to contradict what you learned in the past or what your mind knew me. You are a voice, a listener, and repeater of trust. Your soul has wonderful from trust as all have. Now you are being called to trust on a greater level, to open to new possibility and new way of being, to live in created and service as a light in the world. We honor your prayer to be of service for the healing of world. How do you now when I am hearing the voice of God? Jesus said that you shall now the trust, and the trust shall set you free. If what you hear set you free, it is the trust. The one divine secure is Universal trust. This is trust can be expressed in so many facts that it might appear to be money despite trust. Yet God is both on and many